You know, I have been thinking the entire time how I'm going to take such a large subject, condense it into such a small video in order to make you understand how important enzymes are. And in this video lesson, I'm going to teach you what are fat-burning metabolic enzymes. So listen up. When it comes to enzymes, we have three different kinds of enzymes. One of them are the metabolic enzymes. We find them in our tissue, right, anywhere in our body. The second enzymes that can be found is when you eat something, our body produces digestive enzymes, and those digestive enzymes help us to break down proteins, fat, and carbohydrates. And the third one are food enzymes. And the food enzymes are simply coming with our food. And it's such a great thing because you can see that magic happening. Do following. Take an apple, drop it down, put it on the counter, and look at it over 3-4 days and see what happened to that spot that got damaged. It's got some brown colors. And what has happened is when you drop down the apple, the cell walls broke open and oxygen got in and it starts to digest itself. Now you can see the same thing when you leave a banana outside and it starts to get older for 5, 6, 7 weeks. And when you open up the banana and you see it all brown and mushy inside, this is almost just glucose, as you can find it in our blood level. Now, what does this mean for you? Everything. And why? Because think about following. Studies have shown if you're going to take completely out the enzymes, that you understand how important it is, we will die within 1 week, because without our enzymes, nothing happens. Nothing happens on our cellular level, because we need enzymes for chemical reactions to happen, and that means also burning our fat. Now, when it comes to burning fat, yes, activity is important. Yes, the right amount of food is important. But more important is as well that you're going to provide your body proper enzymes in order for that to happen. So what are then particular fat-burning metabolic enzymes? Well, think about it. We talk about raw foods. So if we need raw fatty foods, what are those? Well, extra virgin olive oil, for example, or an avocado, or some nuts and seeds. Why is that important? Because those particular foods provide you the fat enzymes in order to break down the fat that you're eating. So you can have fat. And the New Journal of England, Medicine of England, has just recently conducted a study by increasing fat in the diet and how it affects the weight loss. And the results were following. The individuals who had a high intake of fat lost overall more weight. Isn't it simple? So anybody who thinks who needs to lose weight and needs to eat less fat is completely wrong. Because you do need the fat in order to burn the fat. The other interesting thing is when we have talking about fat tissue, we have two different kinds. We have brown fat tissue and white fat tissue. And they are incorporated within around the inner organs. That is brown fat tissue, and you need to feed that brown fat tissue with raw fats in order to burn the white fat tissue. How are you gonna do it? Very simple, as I have explained before. Now, your task today for this week is to increase your raw fats. Okay, have some extra virgin olive oil, have some avocado, 1 per week, and some nuts and seeds, but not roasted. We need them raw. Alright, this online video coaching lesson teaches you about what are fat-burning metabolic enzymes. More to come. Stay tuned. Thanks. Bye.